Ready to unlock the power of AI and automation by connecting Chatgpt to the world of apps you already use? Let's dive into how you can use Zapier to integrate Chatgpt and automate tasks, freeing up your time and boosting your productivity. With this quick tutorial, first, you'll need a Zapier account. If you don't have one, sign up for a free trial at Zapier.com. Next, let's set up a Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects two or more apps. Click Create Zap now. Select Chatgpt as your trigger app. This means Chatgpt will kick off the Zap. Choose the trigger event. Common options are new message or new task. Select the event that suits your needs, then connect your Chatgpt account to Zapier, following the prompts to grant access. Now for the action. Choose the app you want to connect to Chatgpt. This could be Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, or any of the thousands of apps supported by Zapier. Select the action you want to perform in that app. For example, if you chose Google Sheets, you might select Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your chosen app account to Zapier, just like you did with Chatgpt. Now, the key part: mapping the data. This is where you tell Zapier which information from Chatgpt should go where in your chosen app. Click into each field and select the corresponding data from the Chatgpt trigger. Once you've mapped all the necessary data, test your Zap. This ensures everything is working correctly. Zapier will walk you through the testing process. If the test is successful, congratulations! You've created your first chat-powered Zap. Turn on your Zap to start automating.